Good job, Anna.
Can you play me?
Yeah, I will. Or I just get video on Anna. Look at Anna, guys. Anna. Anna, look at Mama. It's a pretty sunny day today.
This person's name, Spirit. Mommy, this person's name, Spirit.
It is.
Rain! Where'd the rain go?
He's down by the stop sign on his scooter.
Wait, this is Spirit. This is running. Mommy, there's something called Spirit.
Don't climb on it, Anna. No, no.
Mommy,
You're going to fall. Anna, no, no.
Spirit on the net. Mommy, somebody caught Spirit on a net. Mommy, somebody caught Spirit on a net.
Oh, no. Is it somebody, a good somebody?
No, it's a bad somebody.
Anna, can you wave to Mama?
Mommy, it's a bad
Anna,
somebody.
can you wave to Mama?
Mommy, it's a bad somebody.
Uh-oh. Can you rescue Spirit? Oh,
Mommy,
stretched out.
Mommy, Spirit, what? This is broke out. Mommy, broke out. Mommy, broke out.
Oh, good.
Mommy, free now. Mommy, is videotaping it?
Yeah, he's videotaping Anna.
No, Spirit is running free. Action. No, I want to call it Spirit. Spirit. Maybe she just have that will fall down the stairs.
Okay. Anna, can you wave? Can you say bye-bye? Okay. Oh, is Anna giving Horsey a ride?
I'm taking her first. She's walking.
She is kind of walking, isn't she? She's going to be tired. That's a long ways for Anna to go, isn't it? All the way across the cul-de-sac almost.
Now she's pushing it. She's almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Okay.
6, 7.
Everybody turn around and say hi.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, I'm going to close. I'm videotaping it.
Hi. 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 Anna is the cutest baby.